Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a fantastic DIY recipe for an anti-aging collagen cream that will leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. This cream is fantastic for achieving wrinkle-free, tightened skin and minimizing pores. Collagen is key for maintaining that youthful glow, and this homemade cream will help boost collagen production naturally. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to youthful skin with this DIY collagen cream recipe that actually works. This cream helps you to look 20 years younger. It suits for all skin types, men's and women's. Now let's jump right into it. But before we get started, please subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps me create more valuable content for you. Have you noticed those pesky wrinkles and the loss of elasticity in your skin as you age? Well, you're not alone. Aging skin is a common concern for many, but fret not because today we're going to tackle these issues head-on with our DIY collagen cream. Introduction to the DIY collagen cream. Anti-aging skincare doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a few simple ingredients, you can create a powerful anti-aging cream right at home. Cornstarch, water, and flaxseed extract are the star ingredients in this recipe. Cornstarch helps to tighten the skin and minimize pores, while flaxseed extract boosts collagen production and improves skin elasticity. These ingredients plays a crucial role in promoting healthier skin. From moisturizing properties to antioxidant benefits, these ingredients are a powerhouse for your skin's health. Let's get started! Now the moment you've been waiting for, making the collagen cream. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this cream at home. The best part is it's not only effective, but also cost-effective compared to store-bought products. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need and how to prepare them. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1 cup of water for flaxseed extract. To start, we need to make the flaxseed extract. Flaxseed extract preparation. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and add them to 1 cup of water. Bring the water to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the mixture thickens, strain the liquid into a bowl. This is your flax seed extract. Cornstarch mixture. Now take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with 1/2 cup of water until it's smooth and lump-free. Heat the mixture on low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Remove from heat. Combining the ingredients. Once the cornstarch mixture has cooled slightly, add the flaxseed extract to it and mix well. Application and benefits. Now that our anti-aging collagen cream is ready, let's talk about how to apply it and its benefits. Application. Cleanse your face thoroughly before applying the cream. Take a small amount of the cream and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Importance and benefits. This homemade anti-aging collagen cream is packed with benefits for your skin. Wrinkle-free skin. Cornstarch helps to tighten the skin and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a youthful appearance. Tighten skin. Flaxseed extract boosts collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and firmness, helping to tighten sagging skin. Day pore minimizing. The combination of cornstarch and flaxseed extract helps to minimize the appearance of pores, giving your skin a smoother texture. How it suits all skin types. This cream is suitable for all skin types. Cornstarch is gentle and non-irritating, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Flaxseed extract is hydrating and soothing, ideal for dry and oily skin alike. Storage and effectiveness. To store this homemade cream, keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Effectiveness. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, firmer, and more radiant. This DIY cream is a fantastic addition to any anti-aging skincare routine. Incorporating into your skincare routine. To get the best results, incorporate this anti-aging collagen cream into your regular skincare routine. Use the cream 2-3 times a week for optimal results. Pair it with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen during the day to protect your skin and enhance the anti-aging effects. In conclusion, using this DIY collagen cream can do wonders for your skin. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a more youthful appearance. With consistent use, you'll notice improvements in your skin's texture and overall appearance over time. I urge you to give this recipe a try at home. Share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more DIY skincare recipes and tips. Let's all embrace healthier, glowing skin together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And until next time, stay fabulous!